up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Empire Radio YouTube channel. So today, look, Jeremiah's here. So we are going to do a surprise unboxing mystery box from cufflinks.com. Jeremiah, take us away.
Yeah, so the mystery boxes that they have on their website for Star Wars stuff, and I think it's for all the other licensing things they do as well, but it's a $50 mystery box, and it's valued at over $200. So you get $200 worth of product for $50. So that's a great deal, especially if you want to get a bunch of things, but you don't want to put out all that money for all those items. You can get a mystery box and get all kinds of items for a great deal. So we got one from them to kind of do an unboxing video for, just to see what it's like, and maybe you guys can pick one up too.
Yeah, and I don't think we know what's in it.
Not really, no.
So it's pretty excited. So our reaction is going to be your reaction. You'll see it. So
you do it. You do it.
Okay, I'll do it. Alrighty, here you go.
Oh. First item, we get some bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap. I won't pop this on camera.
So you got, look, a little spoiler alert. It says how to tie a tie. So there might be a tie in here we can.
Oh, true. That's a good catch.
Oh, there is a tie.
Right, there is a tie. So
it's a Darth Vader tie. So
it's pretty cool.
It's
actually.
like gray, purple, blue, or something like that.
We'll take it out of the plastic so they can see it better.
Something like that. That's pretty cool.
That's a sweet tie. That's actually really cool colors.
Yeah. So it's kind of it's like a reddish purplish with the bluest on it with gray. So it's a cool multi-tone tie. So that's pretty cool. You want to grab something else?
All right, I'll grab. I don't know what's in this box.
Oh.
I'm gonna guess like a clip-on for the tie, maybe.
Maybe. You'd think that they would do that.
You would think. No.
Ooh.
Whoa, what is this?
It's like the is it from like the Last Jedi, the lapel that they're looking for? Canto Bight?
Canto Bight? I don't know how I feel about this. But yeah, it looks like it goes on your like.
Yeah, where the button is on like the dress up, like your jacket.
Dude, this is actually really cool.
So you could put it on a little thing like that. That's pretty cool.
Does it have any Star Wars? Oh, it does. It has Millennium Falcon on it.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys can see this, but it has a Millennium Falcon on it very closely, and it'll probably go in your pocket, which is really sick. That's actually cool.
So
it's really creative.
Oh, we still got.
Dude, we got lots of stuff.
We got a bunch of things in there. So what is this? Accessories, a nice little. What is this thing open?
So it's a magnet box, and I'm gonna guess they're cufflinks.
Ooh. Is that
dude.
K2SO?
K2SO cufflinks. Dude, that's so lit, dude. I love K2SO. He's like my favorite.
That's pretty cool.
Those are really sweet.
And they have good
They're
weight.
heavy.
They're heavy. They got good weight, so these are high quality. You're not gonna break these anytime soon.
Like, dang. You don't really go to weddings right now, but I kind of want to just to wear stuff like this, dude. All right, I'll open the second one. So it's another accessory, and it has this slide thing that's really sweet. Dude, cuffling, they do it right, man. So, I don't know if these are cufflinks, but we'll find. They are! Ooh, these are sick.
Oh, that's cool. Those are, Trooper, which ones are they?
They're, what's it? Scout Troopers.
Scout Troopers, yes. So that's cool. More cufflinks.
More cufflinks. The Scout Trooper. Dude, these are really sweet. Dude. I'm loving this. This is actually really cool.
Alright, I'll get the next.
Are these more cufflinks?
Oh, these are not BB-8, but his little,
What's that bad one? BB...
It's the, BB-8's rival in The Last Jedi when they were on, Snoke's ship, when they're going in to hack in, so that's pretty cool. Black
ones. The black BB-8.
Oh, so this is the last item right here.
This is the last item. I'm guessing they're more cufflinks, maybe. Actually, it feels different. No, it's...
Ooh.
Oh, dang!
Tie clip?
Is it a tie clip or a money clip?
Oh, money clip. Yeah, that's what it is.
Is it?
I think it's a money clip.
How do we know?
I don't know. It doesn't say. We're not the most fancy of people over here, so
yeah, but
I think it's a money clip.
it's either a tie clip or a money clip from the weight of it.
It's probably a money clip.
It's a money clip.
I think tie clips are a lot thinner. They're like kind of like pencil.
Dude, this is actually really cool. And I mean, they must know us because it's an Empire logo, so.
Yeah, that's definitely cool. So.
Dude, this is really sweet. Well, this one's still in the. Oh.
Sorry. So. Pull this out. So
we're gonna have to like duel to the death with lightsabers to see who gets to keep what.
Well, I got a Darth Vader or Darth Maul saber over here. So
the Darth Vader one now.
Oh,
too. So we might fight to see who gets away with what.
So again, what we got? So we got the Darth Vader tie. We got the little lapel like flower thing as well.
I feel like that, Jeremiah, that is definitely up your alley.
Is it?
I feel like that's something you would rock.
The K2SO cufflinks.
Those are sweet. Those are probably one of my favorites.
What was next? The BB or there's the Scout Trooper cufflinks.
Yes, which are really cool as well.
The BB-8's rival cufflinks.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
And then the Empire logo money clip.
Yes, that's really sweet.
So that's pretty cool. So if you guys are interested in getting this a variety of things, I'm not sure if every mystery box is the same or not.
I'm gonna guess not.
Not? I'm not really sure on that, but I'm sure that it does change. If it's the same stuff at times, probably like, every 6 months they do a new rotation of stuff or something. But it's $50. Again, that's a $200 value right there or more. And so, but also we have our promo code Empire15. So that $50, take another 15% off that.
Yes.
It's even cheaper. So Empire15, capital E, at checkout, and there's no minimum purchase you need. So that's 15% off.
Yes. And I mean, it's a holiday season, so.
Yeah, so if you want to get a bunch of people a bunch of gifts, just get one mystery box and you got multiple people covered.
Honestly, this is up your alley, Jeremiah. Just hand it out. Your dad, your brothers. Like, this is a perfect gift. So, like, I enjoy this mystery box. I feel like it's a really good quality for the price. And, like, these cufflinks alone, like, are probably, like, $100 each. So
yeah, and if you don't know how to tie a tie, they even show you how to do that. So that's they throw that in there for free.
Yeah, this is free. And I don't know how to tie a tie, so I need to like frame this or laminate it or something. That's pretty sweet.
So we'll be continuing doing some more product reviews in the coming weeks for cufflinks.com, our sponsor. If you haven't checked out our podcast, go check that out on anchor.fm Empire Radio, sorry. Okay. But then also check us on social media, Facebook and Instagram at Empire Radio Podcast. And
yeah, that's about it.
Yep.
Like Jeremiah said, you can find our podcast also on any podcast streaming app as well. So if you don't want to go to Anchor, you can also go find it on iTunes, Spotify, wherever you hear podcasts. But also there's going to be more videos like down below or literally after this. You can click the next video, but there's more product reviews from Cufflinks. So if you want more details, they're up there for you. So there you go.
Anything else?
Nope, that should be it.
All right, cool. I'm Jeremiah.
I'm Andrew.
May the force be with you.
Always.